We're looking live at downtown Minneapolis where a protester dressed in a full-body foam hand flipping the bird, outrunning several blocks now. For several blocks now.
I saw him rolling down the street with a giant foam hand and a rolling scene. The feds are chasing, but they can't keep up. He's flipping the bird and he's acting tough. Foam headman on an office chair, flying through the city without a care. He's outrunning the law in a swivel seat, the fastest rebel on the city street. 5 blocks down and he's still on the go. How he moves that fast, I'll never know. The wheels are screaming on the pavement stone.